are gonna watch the movie soon. Sorry for that. Okay, so show time 2 p.m. On Pongal day in PVR Soul Space Arena. Let me watch the complete movie, and you will be watching the review with the same video. I just thought of giving an intro from the location itself. Cheers, Talapati Pongal. Hello guys, welcome back to Akshay's Vlog. Hope you all are doing really great. Yes, we are uploading videos regularly, and this is my first movie review that we are uploading in our channel. And today, about which movie we are going to see is Master, the movie which is released literally after 1.5 years because of the pandemic. Theaters and all were closed. Appreciation to the production team and the entire Master team for bringing such big movies onto theater, so that even the theater people can do a lot of business. So getting into the review directly, I'm not going. This is going to be a no spoiler review. I'll tell straight away. There's not going to be zero spoiler. If so, nobody has watched the movie, it will be helpful to you. Three things we're going to cover in this review video: the plot of the plot of the movie, then positives, negatives, and takeaway from the movie. These three are going to be the complete thing. So if I'll have to tell the movie story in one line without spoiler, there's a drunkard professor. There's a drunkard professor who is the hero. That is Vijay. Students all like him, but the entire college, teachers and the management hate him. So in one situation, things goes out of hand and they suspend him from the college. And the government passes the order to the professor that you need to go to the juvenile cell and be as a teacher for those students over there. So he goes to the juvenile cell, and after an incident, he realizes there is a lot of crime activities that is happening over here. That is, if I have to tell in simple word, Vijay Sethupathi, who is the villain, his name is Bhavani in this movie. He controls all the kids and the students in the juvenile cell and uses for unwanted activities, all the crime activities. The villain is using all these kids. So after one incident, one terrific incident, I can't reveal that, go watch the movie, you will get to know. After one terrific incident, how the actor, the master who comes and changes the entire thing and makes the place clear, and the clash between the hero and villain till the end. That is the entire movie all about. So let's talk about the positives about the movie. If I'll have to tell about the positives about the movie, the first positive is choosing Makkan Selvan Vijay Sethupathi as the villain of the movie. My God, what a demon he is in the movie. He's such a cruel enemy. He's an evil enemy in this movie. Such a great villain. He has a very good market as a hero. He does guest role, cameo roles, and character roles in various movies. But all our audience wishes Vijay Sethupathi needs to do such movie. If I'll have to tell in one word, you would have seen Vikram Vedha movie. In that, what role Vijay Sethupathi has, 10 times more evil and cruel he is in this movie. And the second advantage is choosing Anirudh as the music director. Each and every music and the BGM that he has composed here, especially that Kabaddi scene and all, Gilli remix he has done, fantastic it was. So choosing Anirudh as the music director for this movie was really insane. After Katti, maybe he has given very good albums, but this movie has a separate fan base. I think after watching this movie, you would be falling in love with Anirudh's movie. And third surprising thing was, we would see a different Vijay's role in this movie. Earlier, if you would be seeing Vijay movie, there would be two heroines. He'll go fight with everyone. There will be action. There will be song, and at the end, there will be a conclusion with lot of politics. But in this movie, it is totally different. Vijay has chosen a different genre of acting in the movie, and you will find a different version of Vijay in this. In fact, it looks really realistic. Appreciation to the director Lokesh Kanagaraj for choosing such genres and such plot and bringing the extraordinary acting in actor Vijay is what we can take. These were the positive. And heroines, and there are a lot of star cast in this movie. Everybody has come, they have done their role very well, and they've gone. Talking about the negatives of the movie is, personally, what I felt was length of the movie could have been reduced. Because 3 hours, I felt it is too much. Already they have trimmed a lot of portions in the movie. But the length of the movie was little too much. After the first half, after the college portion, we would end up in a feeling setting. Now only the story is going to start. They could have trimmed majority of the portions is what I feel. So length of the movie, according to me, some or the other place it was a backdrop. And Lokesh Kanagaraj already told this is 50% Lokesh Kanagaraj movie and 50% Vijay's movie. Maybe that did work out, but for general audience point of view, if you think, I don't know if they would like the movie. For action lovers, this is a perfect treat because there are a lot of action scenes in the movie. But for general movie who would love comedy, who would love 2-3 songs, Vijay movie, what they expect, I don't think that did satisfy here. And third part, heroines plot was very less only. Wherever they have come, they have done. A lot of star cast was involved. According to me, I feel that majority of the, what do you call it, portion was not given to the star cast is what I feel. And also pre-interval scene, Andrea will come in the movie and taking the archery shots and all will do. That didn't look little realistic. Opposite villain side will be having a lot of weapons and all, and here something cringy that was. Apart from that, length of the movie was only little backdrop. I feel they could have reduced the length of the movie. Apart from that, everything was good. Arjun Das, my man, what a voice he has. He has nailed every part. And also Poovayar, that little boy, in Bigil movie, he came and did a cameo role and he sung a part of his song in Verithanam song and event. But here he has done a really very good job. Such a young, talented future he has. And also, I forgot to tell in the positive, Master Mahendran plays a junior role of Vijay Sethupathi in the movie. And first half, what he did, extraordinary. They have brought the real talent out of him. He has a very bright future also after this. And politics, they have spoken. And also there is a social message to the, not for the general audience, in general, if I'll have to tell about the social message, how the teacher directs the student can either go in a negative manner or in a good path also. The rail track goes either in a positive way or negative way. That is the entire plot about. If you would have watched Kaidi and if you would have gone this, maybe it would be of a kind of disappointment, but we can find that Lokesh Kanagaraj director's touch here and there. And in simple word, if I'll have to tell in simple word, Managaram was Lokesh Kanagaraj's point of view, if I'll have to tell in simple way. In first unit test in an exam, a student scores 100 marks. In midterm exam, he is the class topper among everywhere. But in final exam, I don't know why he gets distracted and scores only 75% of marks. That is how the entire movie was. After coming out, now the final part of the video, what I would say is, how will be the audience reactions once they come out? My general reaction I'll tell, wow, what a beautiful movie. I didn't have that reaction also. What a kachada movie. That reaction also I didn't have. I am in a state of mixed state, if I'll have to tell. It was good. At the same time, some places were cringy. A kind of mixed reaction. So for general audience, one time it is definitely a watchable movie. And 50% occupancy was definitely followed. In Bangalore, I watched this movie. 50% occupancy. And some place I heard even 125% occupancy is being allowed. Please avoid doing that. Use sanitizers and maintain social distancing. So this is our first review about... first film ever review in our video, and request to actor Vijay, who I am a very big Thalapathy fan. Being a Tamilan, I am a very big Thalapathy fan, so I request him to choose such genres and do. And we could find the realistic and Lokesh Kanagaraj touch also was there, and Vijay actions and humor sense were less, but it was good. So this is the entire review about Master. Do, if you have watched the movie, do comment your reviews also. And out of 5, how much rating, if I'll have to give, I'll give 3.7. Out of 100, if you ask, I can give easily 70 marks for this movie. That is the entire review, guys. I hope you did really enjoy the video. Do comment in the comment box if I'll have to do such reviews about other movies. And talking in Tamil to the Tamil audience, நான் ஏன் இந்த வீடியோ இங்கிலீஷில் பண்ணுறேன்னா எல்லா லாங்குவேஜ் ஆடியன்ஸும் நம்ம சேனலை பார்க்குறாங்க. அதனால தான் இந்த ரிவ்யூ வந்து இங்கிலீஷில் நான் பண்ணுறேன். நான் எங்கள் சேனலில் நீங்கள் பார்த்துருந்தீங்கன்னா எல்லா வீடியோஸும் இங்கிலீஷில் தான் இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி தான் இந்த படமும் நான் இங்கிலீஷில் ரிவ்யூ பண்ண ட்ரை பண்ணியிருக்கேன். I hope you did enjoy. Do show your love support by subscribing my channel. See you all in another great video or another movie review if this video goes really good. Cheers, take care, stay safe and happy Pongal to everyone. Thank you.